For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Friends, welcome to JBS Academy Private Limited. The news for the week ended 23rd May 2021. After more than 2 months of battering by the COVID-19 pandemic, the country is witnessing a decreasing number of COVID cases and a rise in the recovery rate. Actually, the recovery rate is surpassing the new cases. We feel it to be a sign of great relief after a long painful period. The nation is now getting braced up for the future. In today's news bulletin, the Academy is covering the following important developments of the last week in respect of Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, that is CBIC, Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, and the Railways. Let us start with the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC. As notified with the notification dated 2nd February, the Customs have amended the import of goods at concession rate of duty rules to create an enabling environment to promote manufacturing by the domestic industry with the objective of making them globally competitive and furtherance of the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The amended provision of Section 30 of the CGST Act 2017 and Rule 23 of the CGST Rules 2070 now provide for extension of time limit for applying for revocation of cancellation of registration. DGFT, Director General of Foreign Trade. Introduction of a new online module for filing of an electronic paperless application or export authorizations with effect from 17th May 2021. All applicants seeking export authorization for restricted items may apply online on the navigating to the DGFT website. Railways. Overcoming all hurdles and finding new solutions, Indian Railways have delivered nearly 13,319 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen in more than 814 tankers to various states across the country. Thank you very much, my friends. This is all for the week ended 23rd May 2021. Keep on watching. Next week, for the week 24 to 30 May 2021, we will come back with more updates. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
For detailed learning on all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.